So this is actually, this branch is having a specific peculiar speciality. This specialty is that this is the first rural branch which has been inaugurated along with e-gallery. So e-gallery is a type of facility where we are providing to customers 24 hours into 365 days service. Not only in ATM, I mean cash withdrawal, it also cash deposit. Actually, in other branches, when we see for deposit of cash, we need another special cards or something like that. So it is a hassle process. For that, we have to submit our ID proofs, etc., and we have to pay some minimum charging amount so that we will be getting a chance to deposit. Whereas now Bank of India has taken a step ahead and they have been providing this service free of cost. Let me explain about the cash deposit facility. Actually, this in this deposit facility, you can deposit at any time. Any time in the sense, even after closing of bank hours, you can be able to deposit cash without any card or anything, nothing. You are needed only an account number and money to deposit. And I am feeling very much happy here to be associated with this branch, and I am really proud that I have been posted as branch manager here. The R.S. Chauhan sir has inaugurated our branch, so I am really feeling very much happy. These higher officials has provided me an excellent opportunity to take to carry out the bank forward also. So I feel really blessed about this achievement. Basically, I have joined in banking services 4 years ago, and from past 2 years, I have been working as branch manager. And now, after getting transferred into this area, so I really feel proud moment for me, because they have given me excellent new branch with all IT facilities and excellent facilities. So I'm really looking forward to take this out in a brighter way. Being provided with 5 staff now. As of now, we are provided with 2 officers, 2 clerical staff and sub staff, and the staff is also a mixture of young and experienced. So we are really hoping that we will provide excellent service to each and everyone.